Hello everyone, welcome to a new back to school organization video sharing how I get organized for a new school year as a mom of two girls. I hope you enjoy these mom hacks to make this process less stressful and more enjoyable. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cindy and I share all things homemaking. Hope you subscribe and say hi in the comments. Alright, let's jump right into the video. So many years gone by. So my first tip is to create a back-to-school clothing list. Whether your kids use clothes or uniforms, this list works wonders. It keeps me on track and I save money as well. So my girl used uniforms, so I have it by categories, the polo shirts, short sleeves, and what I'm doing is I'm adjusting the list that I have from last year. Okay, so I fixed it by the items that she's going to use first, like the polo shirts, the skirts for now, the khaki pants, the blue pants, and then the stuff that she needs for PE, and then other essentials. That way you have it all there and you can check probably the coats and the jackets that she used last year. Maybe they don't fit. That way you can go back and check and put that on the list. This you don't have to buy right away, but again, like, start checking if there's a sale for your coats, the winter boots, then you know that you need that for this year. So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Now, after I have my list of what I need to buy, it's time to go shopping. I like Target polo shirts for my girls' uniform, and the pants are of a good material in my opinion. Also, they have good sales of underwear, so this is the time to order your supplies before they go out of stock. Another thing that is really important if your kids use uniforms is to order this ahead of time. So I bought the blue and the white from Target, as you saw, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to order these for her with their school logo and the cardigan and the sweatpants for PE. This way you have it. You can order it online and have it straight to your home without no issues, ready for those school days. This year I decided to buy my girl supplies online, and Walmart's prices are so good where you find hundreds of items under $1. So I grabbed the school list, I order it and receive it straight to my door. This way I only order what's needed. If you saw my last year back to school video, I shared this caddy that is a Lazy Susan from Target. I believe it was $5. They have the same color this year and the clear ones, and you guys, this is intact, and it was the girls used it a lot. So what I'm going to do is this system really worked, so I am going to check what needs to be throw away and then just refill this and have the caddy ready for this school year. What I love about this organization system is that each item has its own compartment, making it so easy for my girls to find everything they're looking for, and it will keep everything neat and tidy. And also by adding all this into a basket or a bin, I can easily help her with homework if I'm in the kitchen. I'm happy to say that our home office is almost done and I can't wait to show you the reveal. And here's a sneak peek. I invite you all to follow me on Instagram where I share tons of inspiration. You can find me at Inspirationbycp. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, in the bag, I'm gonna add all the stuff that they need for the classroom, teacher appreciation supplies, and then I will attach this here with her name. That way it's ready for that first day of school, or when we meet the teacher, I'll see if I can bring it. That way my girl doesn't have to carry that the first day of school, and then everything else we can put it in their backpacks. So as I'm adding the items, I'm going to be checking all the stuff and see if it's going to fit on this bag. And this is her backpack for this year, and it brings a lunch bag as well. So pretty. So what I do is, in the meantime, I need to get her a pencil pouch. I'm going to be adding all her school supplies from the list. I'm going to be adding it here. Okay, so her backpack is full and very heavy, so now I can organize all this and put it in a bin for extra supplies. So let's be honest, those first week of back to school are crazy mornings. By having a routine, things can go a little bit smoother. So I decided to jump on the weekly outfit organizer trend, and I'm going to be using this hanging organizer that I have in my closet, and I'm going to add it to her closet. Kids that wear uniform like my daughter is much easier because we don't have to pick out outfits for the week. I just have to make sure her uniform is clean and organized in these compartments. This will save so much time in the morning. Now that we put up our organizer, I'm going to label each compartment with these stickers from the Dollar Tree. Next is to create a drop zone if you don't have a mudroom. This is the space that I have to work with. It's a deep and narrow space in the laundry room, and it's the first stop when my daughter comes home from school. So I found this coat rack that I can easily move around if I want to, so it's perfect for this corner. Each year, I print out Emily's school calendar for the entire year and add it to my planner. And I call this the master calendar, where I have appointments, events, birthdays, and so on. This way I have everything in one place. It took me some time to get into the habit of using a planner. And let me tell you, it's a game changer because it's basically your reference book for everything. Another great hack that works year-round is to plan meals weekly. This will keep you focused, it will keep you on a budget, and have it in a visible place for the whole family to see. One of my sources for meal inspiration is definitely Pinterest. What I typically do is the first 4 weeks of meals, I can get inspiration from those same papers, and then I can rotate it and add a different recipes.
I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day.
If you prepare lunch bags, bento boxes for your kiddos, it is ideal to have everything you need in one bin. In this clear bin, I have this set of cookie cutters, and with this, I cut her sandwiches, cheese, ham to make them pretty. Also, these tiny containers for dressings. The silicone cupcakes are also great for bento boxes and to have everything divided. I am going to add her bento box. I ordered her a new one for this year from Amazon. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. And lastly, her water bottles. Try to have at least 2 water bottles per child because it's common to leave this behind at school.
I found my way, I found my way.
It is so important to have a back to school routine for your kids. It will give them a sense of responsibility. It will keep them focused and productive. Last year, I created these daily to-do lists for both of my girls and used this versatile dry erase pocket sleeve, and this works wonders. You can find them at Walmart or at Target in the dollar section. It is recommended to practice daily routines 2 to 3 weeks before school starts because there's really no a routine in place during summer. So let's get them prepared for a successful school year.
'Cause I found my way, my way.
There's so many creative and easy ideas to make back to school traditions unforgettable. We can create a cute first day of school breakfast like I did here. She was so surprised and happy when she saw this. Try to prepare as much as possible the night before because as we know, the first day of school is a little tense in the morning. Our goal is for them to have a less stressful morning. Also, it's the first and last day of school photo ideas. You can use a chalkboard, sign, or get creative and do it yourself. Let me share this photo prop flag that I did for my girl for this school year. So I did this on Canva. What I did was, as you can see here, I did it on landscape. I got a triangle shape. I'm trying to do it as big as possible. And then you just get creative with the font. She's going to 4th grade, so as you're gonna see now, I'm trying to add something with 4th grade and then play with the colors. Just print it out on a cardstock paper and get some ribbon. I use my hot glue gun to add the ruler, and this creates a fun prop for that first day of school. Another creative idea is to create a path with chalk with words of encouragement that your superstar can read as they walk towards their destination. This was a total surprise for my girl last year. This is a lovely motivation for them for the first day of back to school. I hope you have found some organization ideas in this video that you can apply in your own home to make this back to school season less chaotic and more enjoyable. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what are your ways to organize for the season, what was your favorite part of this organizational topic. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.